videos? Oh, put on
Janet
the
has the VCR.
Thank you, Janet.
What? Thank you for having the VCR?
Yes.
You're moving closer.
Do you want me to get your snout?
No. No.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
How you like my outfit?
It's pretty bright.
Look at this material, isn't it nice?
I know.
Real fine, high quality stuff.
You gotta turn them inside out.
I don't know if you can handle that or not, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty bright.
On remarkable achievement.
Hi, Grandma. I'm some
And
candy.
may you find continued success.
No, candy.
That mouse. Mouse getting an elephant. The words
I
of gifts
got
that ever
it.
define
I
the
reached
wishes and pride you have for your dad. Everything you ever dreamed of and worked toward, you are the best example of a father.
Mama.
Oh, and husband. Oh, we could
No,
ever hope for.
Mushy, huh?
What that you can never do,
Major Casino.
but we wanted to acknowledge your accomplishment in your other job. Hope you like this gift. Love always, Brian. Mita. Hannah. Oops. Right.
Here, Dad, let me put this back for you. People are laying up the window watching all the activity.
Ah, look at this.
Oh.
Thank you. Reader's Digest, America, land of beauty and splendor.
How pretty. So we can start doing your travels, huh?
Yeah. Nice. Thanks. That's really nice.
There's something written in the front.
For your retirement, Dad, enjoy, love, Vita, Brian, and Hannah. Yeah, Hannah. The father. From your prize.
Oh, that's cute.
I love you, Dad. Enjoy your day.
That is. That's
Come here
cute.
for reversal. Careful, it costs money if you get too much.
Yeah. Blackmail.
Oh,
Even I
look.
have some just like them, too. Oh, really?
No one could ever fill your shoes. Happy Father's Day to my favorite grandpa. I love you. Oh, it's Hannah. Much love and lots of hugs and kisses, Anita.
That
And
Hannah's a smart kid, isn't she?
yeah.
Yeah, she signs all the cards.
Hannah knows how to. Yeah, thank you, Hannah. Yeah. What kind of music? Ah, music. Very iconic. What does he sing?
He's like the Frank Sinatra
Love is here
of the
today,
day.
Little cloud. Oh, sunny side of the street.
It's okay. It's all right.
Hmm.
So we'll have to plug it in, Dad.
Thank you.
Listen to it.
Yeah. Yeah, he's really good.
Stop. Puppy.
Oh, yeah. Hannah, can you say Happy Father's Day?
Yeah, I probably could, but I think one too.
Not today.
Steve, can you hire better help than this?
Hey, Stud Muffin.
Hi, Anita.
How you doing?
What do you got the camera for? I can't talk you to that on.
Oh, no. Really? Can we take off our shirts?
Until I get my driver's license.
Another driver.
Is she gonna drive? Watch out. I thought I was filming. Anita, you want to get over there?
How did you know how to push one?
Run over your toes.
She had a Jeep one that he had around here. I'm sorry, am I right? Oh. And he,
Excuse me.
so he do that one day.
Your feet.
It's your,
Push with your foot.
let me show you something. See this? Push that down with this foot and it'll go. Where's it go? She doesn't want to go, she just wants to go. You want to go or not?
Don't let Ashley push it with the motor.
Don't hold me. I'm gonna drive it home.
You want to?
That's
Mandy's like, can I play?
Push the pedal. Yeah, push the pedal.
Okay, now go back. Now put it that white button down in between.
Get away. We'll cut the parts out of here.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's great, you got somebody you can steer.
Yeah.
We have this race car driver that sucks his thumb.
Hey, Ashley, here.